Do you know why most students lose 3 to 4 marks in exam? It's not because they don't know math. It's because of Theorem 6.1 where small mistakes made, full marks gone. But watch closely. If you learn when I teach, you will never lose here again. Theorem 6.1 states that if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is the diagram for Theorem 6.1. Now, as per this diagram, let AB and CD be two lines intersect at O. This produces two pairs of vertically opposite angles, angle AOC and angle BOD, angle AOD and angle BOC. Now we need to prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Now, ray OA stands on line DC. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree as per linear pair axiom. Mark this as equation 1. Similarly, ray OD stands on line AB. Therefore, angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Again, as per linear pair axiom, mark this as equation 2. Same way, ray OB stands on line DC. Therefore, angle DOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Equation number 3. At last, ray OC stands on line AB. Therefore, angle BOC plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree. Equation number 4. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD because both is equal to 180 degree, and we consider these two equations because we have common angle AOD in both, so we are cancelling that. We get angle AOC that is equal to angle BOD. Now, similarly from equation 3 and equation 4 which is left out, we get angle DOB plus angle BOC is equal to angle BOC plus angle AOC. So, cancelling out angle BOC, we get angle DOB is equal to angle AOC. Hence, with this we have proved Theorem 6.1. That is, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal is true. Now, here's a new challenge for you. Try example 1 that is displayed on your screen on your own with this Theorem 6.1's help, and comment your answer in the comment section below. Let's see who gets it right.